Hello, and welcome to our YouTube video on how to attract women and cultivate meaningful connections. In this video, we will provide you with valuable insights and practical tips to enhance your social skills and build healthy relationships with women. Remember, genuine connections are built on respect, understanding, and authenticity. So let's get started. Number 1. Work on self-improvement. Before seeking attention and love from others, it's essential to focus on your personal growth and become the best version of yourself. This includes developing confidence. Work on building self-confidence by recognizing your strengths, setting goals, and celebrating achievements. Engage in activities that make you feel good about yourself. Physical appearance. Pay attention to personal hygiene, dress well, and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Taking care of your appearance shows that you value yourself and can attract positive attention. Pursue passions. Engage in activities and hobbies that bring you joy and fulfillment. This not only boosts your self-esteem but also provides opportunities to meet like-minded women. Number 2. Cultivate strong communication skills. Effective communication plays a crucial role in building connections with women. Here are some tips. Active listening. Show genuine interest in what women have to say. Maintain eye contact, nod, and ask follow-up questions. This demonstrates that you value their thoughts and opinions. Conversation skills. Practice open-ended questions to encourage meaningful discussions. Be respectful, avoid interrupting, and take turns sharing your own experiences and thoughts. Emotional intelligence. Develop your emotional intelligence by being empathetic and understanding towards others. Pay attention to non-verbal cues and respond appropriately. Number 3. Develop authenticity. Authenticity is key when it comes to attracting women. Be true to yourself and let your genuine personality shine through. Be confident in your uniqueness. Embrace your individuality and avoid trying to be someone you're not. Women appreciate authenticity and are attracted to people who are comfortable in their own skin. Share your passions and values. Express your interests and values without hesitation. This allows women to understand and connect with you on a deeper level. Honesty and transparency. Build trust by being open and honest in your interactions. Avoid playing games or manipulating situations to gain attention. Authenticity forms the foundation for meaningful connections. Number 4. Show respect and empathy. Treating women with respect and empathy is essential in any relationship. Here are some important aspects to consider. Equality and consent. Treat women as equals and respect their boundaries. Always seek consent in every aspect of a relationship. Support and understanding. Show empathy and support in both good and challenging times. Be a good listener and offer assistance when needed. Appreciation and gratitude. Express appreciation for the women in your life. Recognize their strengths, achievements, and contributions, and let them know that they are valued. Number 5. Building shared experiences. Engage in activities together. Plan outings, adventures, or simple date nights that allow you to create shared memories and strengthen your bond. Find common interests. Discover and explore shared hobbies, passions, or causes. This will deepen your connection and provide opportunities for growth as a couple. Remember, attracting women and cultivating meaningful connections is not about making them beg for attention or love. It's about building authentic relationships based on mutual respect, understanding, and shared values. Focus on self-improvement, effective communication, authenticity, and empathy, and you'll naturally attract the attention and love you desire. Thank you for watching, and best of luck in your journey towards meaningful connections.